Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. In today's video, we will make some desserts for St. Patrick's Day, so let's start by creating the Irish flag. For the first layer of the flag, we need some green color, so I'm gonna add into a bowl 1 box of green or lime jello. Then I will dissolve the jello with 1 cup of hot water. Now add 1 cup of cold water and mix everything well. Add the green jello into some serving cups or into a glass container, whatever you prefer, but I'm gonna do both. Now bring to the fridge, chill for 4 hours or overnight. In the meantime, let's make the white layer. Into a bowl, add 1 can of condensed milk, one cup of hot water, mix well and set aside. Into a separate bowl, add 2 packages of unflavored gelatin, dissolving with a half a cup of cold water, now add a half a cup of hot water, then go ahead and combine the milk mix and gelatin mix together. Now add to the serving cups, creating the second layer. Bring to the fridge, chill for 4 hours or overnight. And for the last layer of our Irish flag, we will make some orange jello. So into a bowl, add the orange jello, dissolve with 1 cup of hot water, add 1 cup of cold water, mix well, and add the last layer into your serving cups, chilling for 4 hours or overnight. Now it's time for you to hit the like button, subscribe so you can become a part of the family, and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any other video. And here's an option for the mint lovers. Into a bowl, add 1 box of instant vanilla pudding. Then add 3/4 of a cup of cold milk and mix everything well. Now add a couple drops of green food coloring and mix until combined. Add 8 ounces of whipped cream, gently folding into the pudding. And because I like to be extra, I went ahead and made some green jello I add to a muffin pan and then chill for 4 hours. Then I remove them from the muffin pan and add to the pudding. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, it's completely optional, but it gives the pudding a better consistency in my opinion. Let this mix chill for about a half an hour and it's ready to serve. And let's chop some mint chocolate. If you don't like mint, just use any chocolate of your choice. With the chocolate all chopped up, it's time for us to build our mint dessert. Add to a serving dish of your choice a layer of the green pudding and jello mix. Then add a layer of the chopped chocolate. Cover with another layer of the green pudding and jello mix. Top with some whipped cream. And finish with a touch of chocolate. Now let's remove the colored jello from the glass dish. First, go around the whole dish with a knife. That will make the jello nice and loose. After doing that, flip the Jello upside down into a serving plate, like so. You can serve just like this, but I will cut into smaller pieces and I will make some bite-sized flags. Add some whipped cream and some final touches into the Jello cups, and the Irish flags are ready to be served. Let me know in the comments below if you would try this dessert and what you think of this video. I would love to hear from you. And like that, you have 3 awesome and super easy dessert ideas to serve on St. Patrick's Day. And that is all for this St. Patrick's Day inspired video. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you so very much for watching. And for those that do celebrate, I wish you a happy and safe St. Patrick's Day. I will see you next week. Ciao!